Hey there Discord users, and welcome to Tech Basis. And today's video is all about the world of account security with two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. It adds an extra step to logging in, like needing a secret handshake on top of your passport. And the best part is, you can turn it off or on depending on your needs. The process is the same for both Android and iOS. Here's how to activate it. First, open the Discord app. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. And tap on it again to open your setting page. Now tap on the Account tab and you should see Multi-Factor Authentication. Discord has two options for 2FA, an Authenticator app or security key. If you want to use the Authenticator app, just tap on it and Discord will ask you to enter your password. Just follow the prompt. Now, Discord will ask you to download an Authenticator app, like Authy or Google Authenticator. If you don't have this app installed, just tap on the text. I will select Google Authenticator. Now you will be redirected to its web page. From here, scroll down until you see Install Google Authenticator. Just tap on it and you will be redirected to its download screen. Just tap on Install. I already have the Google Authenticator, so mine says Open. Now go back to your Discord app and tap on Next. Discord will give you 2FA code, just tap on Copy to copy it. Now open your Authenticator app. From here, tap on the plus icon and select Enter a setup key. Now type in your account name. You can choose any type of name you want. I'll go and keep the name Discord. And below it, just paste the copied link and tap on Add. Now the Authenticator app will keep on generating one-time code within a certain time frame under that name. Again, go back to your Discord app and tap on Next. Discord will automatically recognize the Authenticator code from the Authenticator app and activate the 2FA in your account. You can also enable SMS authentication if you want to add another layer of security as backup. Similarly, if you want to use security keys, just tap on Security Keys and tap on Register a security key. You will be redirected to another page where you will see a Let's Go button. Just tap on the Let's Go button and now Discord will automatically recognize the code from the Authenticator app and it will give you option to choose a device for your passkey. You can choose any one between these. I will choose this device. Now Discord will ask to verify yourself. Simply put your device password or fingerprint if you have one. Now give a name to your key and hit finish. Here I will just type in Discord and click finish. You will see a message saying 2FA is activated and it will also show you the list of your backup codes. But maybe you feel comfortable without the extra step. To turn it off, follow the same step as enabling it. But instead, you will see a button that says Remove Authenticator app. Just tap on it to remove the Authenticator app. And for the security key, follow the same steps. Tap on Security Key and you should see the key you created before. Tap on it and just hit Delete. And your 2FA is deactivated. This makes your account a little more vulnerable. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.